Step into the fast-paced world of Forex trading with RASPro Innovatives, also known as RASFX, your ultimate destination for mastering the art of the financial markets. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of successful trading and pave your path to financial freedom? Look no further. At RASPro Innovatives, we're here to equip you with the knowledge, strategies, and insights you need to thrive in the dynamic world of Forex. Join our community of aspiring traders, seasoned investors, and market enthusiasts as we dive deep into the intricacies of currency trading. Whether you're a beginner seeking guidance or a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your skills, our channel is your go-to resource for actionable tips, expert analysis, and real-world trading wisdom. From understanding market fundamentals to mastering technical analysis, we leave no stone unturned in our quest to help you become a confident and successful trader. Get ready to navigate the twists and turns of the Forex market with precision and confidence. So grab your charts, buckle up, and embark on an exhilarating journey to financial success with RASPro Innovatives. The world of Forex trading awaits. Are you ready to seize the opportunity? Let's trade our way to prosperity together.